When? Okay. So this is our Ferrari 328 heater valve. Kind of an interesting thing. We know that these actually came off of early BMW or something like that. There's probably some Iveco truck in Brazil where there's cases of these things. But I actually went through and completely 3D engineered these and made new valves. But we discovered how to fix them without taking them apart, because around the perimeter of this plastic unit right here, they're actually sealed together. Now this giant get-up right here is our pressure pot, and what we're doing is we're putting pressurized fluid in through this valve to prove that it doesn't leak after resealing the main shaft, because they normally only leak through the main shaft. Right now, as you can see down the throat of that thing, there is a screw in there. And what the screw does is it pulls the valve up against an O-ring. Without that screw in there, there's kind of like a little pop bead on the bottom of this thing. Once you take this lever off of the valve, it's shot, because the pop bead no longer holds the valve up against the O-ring seat in there. Ridiculous. So we cut off the pop bead, we put a screw in there, and in this case we also sealed the screw and sealed the base of the rotating arm in here. Now, we're testing it. So here we go. Right now it only has 6 pounds of pressure on it. If you look in the pot, we got 32 pounds of pressure. I don't think any radiator is going to have more than about 25 pounds of pressure, but we're testing it above that. So now we're going to take this valve right here and we're going to put a full pressure in it. There it is. We're up above 30 pounds of pressure there. We're going to move the valve and it pours fluid out. And now we're closing it again. And now I'm going to put some more pressure in it. There we go, full pressure again. There's no leaks in this valve. We have some leaks in our pressure pot, but there's no leaks in the valve. So we feel that this thing is totally okay. We have another valve here. We're testing it as well. Do the exact same test at it. I think we've won here. Again, pressure up, 30 pounds of pressure. Here, let's just blow some water through it. Blowing water out and shut off again and shut the valve off and put as much pressure as we have left, 26 pounds, no leaks. You may already be a wiener. Thank you. That's my story. I'm sticking to it.